Hello, I'm Doug. I'm here in Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. And today's Halloween. And I found the perfect plant for Halloween because there's a bunch of little black eyes looking up at us. This is Zingiber mioga, a selection from Lushan Gold, but Lushan Gold is very similar to that with gold flowers and this kind of fruit display in October. Zingiber is the same genus that ginger belongs to, the culinary ginger that you use in much of Asian cooking, and ginger ale and ginger snaps. But Zingiber mioga is a different member of that genus. And it also is a culinary plant. And what is usually eaten are the flower clusters. Here's actually one that's developing down here. This one is being produced out of season. That's sort of a midsummer thing. And these fleshy bracts sort of spread out a little bit more, and these pale yellow flowers come out of each bract. But the whole thing is eaten sliced thin and used as a fresh garnish on food. It's popular in Japanese cuisine. Here's what was just the cluster of flowers with the bracts, the cluster of bracts, and each flower produced one of these big fruit. That's an individual fruit. It's split into three with the center part, the column on which the seeds were collected. Sure looks like a crazy creature to me. My goodness, what a perfect plant for Halloween. And then if you feel adventuresome, you can try eating that. It's fine. I'm not giving up ginger for this, but it's an interesting flavor. And this selection of Zingiber mioga is from China, and it differs from the other forms we've grown in gardens for a long time, which are fairly quickly spreading. This form doesn't spread. It just remains a nice tight clump. And if you were growing them for use in the kitchen, obviously you get a huge number of flowers because each one of those flowers produce one of these fruit. We generally grow it in a bright shade, half sun location, just average soil. Certainly reliably winter hardy in zone 7. But I guess you could grow it in a pot in a cold part of the country. So a fun ornamental in the garden that can also find some use in the kitchen. Thank you for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the garden.